I'm gonna show you how to make colorful and like grass and grass types Sawblade. Okay, let me just create a new level and name it. What should I name it? Deco Sawblade. Okay, just put this down and change its color, and you can make like this. I wanna make speed 18. Okay, just go to object and select this and make this brown out sounding. Yeah, brown. It's dark. I finally knew the name. Okay. I can't set up. Okay, this is good. Now deselect. Look. Okay, I need to add glow for this. I think I can find the glow. Yeah. This is the glow. Okay, put the glow in it and scale it up like okay. Just what should I do? What should I do, guys? What should I do? Okay. Okay. Put another saw blade. No. Copy paste. It's 18 copy paste. Scale it up. We select okay. Just select green like this green. And you have the grass Sawblade. How is it looking? Okay, let me just add some decos. Okay, there's a circular glow. Oh, it looks perfect. Okay, just add this on top. It's so decoration classic. So classic decoration. Okay, and okay, that's it. Okay, you make grass Sawblade. Oh, what? Wait a minute. I can change this color too. Now it's grass. Okay. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Okay, this is the video and there's a good video here. There's a heyday video here. I will make a heyday video tomorrow. Bye bye.